the real struggle is not now between nation states, genders, classes, races, religions. It's between those who want to be free and those who would continue to try to steal our freedom from us. So that's the key, is for people to understand that this is not a Republican Democrat. They've been more conquered than the Republicans by this whole communist socialist system, over several generations. Not only in the media, but in the schools, in Hollywood, the whole thing, because the deep state has chosen China as their superpower for the New World Order, because the major hurdle to the New World Order's agenda for complete domination of the globe is 300 million freedom lovers in the United States who are well armed, and a lot of them very alert to what's really going on. So the main task of the deep state has been and is now destroy America, so that you've got all these hundreds of millions of people broke, sick, and scared, and then desperate for a bigger government even to come in and rescue them. And the answer to that would be the New World Order.